Today I'm going to be reviewing for you guys this product right here, and it is a Japanese toner slash lotion. So this is from a seed extract, which is technically barley, and it's supposed to condition and soften the skin over time. So this is good for sensitive skin because it's fragrance free and it has no colors or additives to it. There is a little bit of alcohol in it to preserve it, but other than that, this is the natural color of the skin conditioner. This isn't limited to just using on your face. You can use it on your skin as well, on your whole body. So the one that I bought came in this bottle, but it also had this bottle attached to it, so you can fill the product into this one. And what I like about this is that when you come out of the shower or when you want to mist your body, it's really simple because of the spray bottle. So I just, when I come out of the shower, use this before lotion, and I just spray it all onto my arms and my legs, my whole body pretty much, and pat it in. So there's two ways you can use this skin conditioner: in the morning time or at nighttime. If you cleanse your skin, you can just take it as a toner and use a cotton pad and just go ahead and apply a generous amount onto the cotton pad and wipe it across your skin. So this is before you put the rest of your skincare on. You can use this as a cleanser, so you just do the same thing, wipe down your skin with it, and it will cleanse your skin without drying it out. So you can do this step as the last step of your skincare routine, or you can do it before you apply your other skincare. It's just all up to you. So what I do is I just take the bottle, put some in my hand like this, and then rub it together and just pat it on my skin, like in essence. What I've been doing at nighttime is using this as my last step to really condition my skin. In the morning time, I will use it too before I put any other skincare on. So that is the way I prefer to do it, is to pat it into the skin. I do feel though, if you do have dry skin and you want your skin to be rehydrated and more plump, patting it into the skin like that really helps to absorb it better. Also too, since this is a layering product, maybe a concern would be that it would get too sticky after layering it, but it doesn't. You can layer multiple times, 3 to 4, and it feels lightweight, it absorbs, and there's no sticky residue. So I would say one of the downfalls of these type of products though is that you have to use it consistently. If you have a lot of time, I would just say go for it, but if you're like rushed, then this is not the product for you, because you do have to do it every single day, put 2 to 3 layers every day consistently to see results. If you just do this like once or twice a week and just put like a layer on it, you're not going to see any results, and it's not going to really work. The thing with these type of lotions, you have to do it on a daily basis and be really serious with the product in order for it to work. So I would say that's like not a downfall, but something you have to keep in mind if you do want to see results. I've used this every single morning and night since I got it, and I have realized that my skin looks a lot brighter and is a lot softer when I wash it in the morning. So it is like a miracle water product. With that being said, if you guys tried this out and your thoughts on it, please leave it down below. And also if you have any questions, and if you tried this brand, other products from them, let me know and what you suggest I should try next. That being said, I hope you found this review helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.